Alright, let's see what we have here. The new toy. Let's get this open! Get this open. Aha! The new Nokia XR20 with a 21% discount. 3 years Android update, 4 years security update with some asterisks. Fine print. I say Android 11 with the we had this Super Gorilla Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, which 48 megapixel camera with another one, I believe is 13 camera for wide views, and also audio, stereo speaker, 2 microphones by the way. This thing, a big power. Today battery it says, wireless charge and 18-watt fast charging. This is Snapdragon 480 with 5G. Yeah. Also, when Apple did this, and I'm not exactly an Apple fanboy, I kinda agree. Yeah, for one, I agree with Apple. No wall charger. Yeah, we all probably have more than one charger in some drawers. So yeah, let's get this out. And this, right there. Delivery note for you accounting. For the accounting geeks. Alright, let's go to the meat of the thing. Let's see. Hold on. So we have our letter opener here. Oh fuck. Okay. So we have the phone itself, which the SIM tray. Getting started. And yet another USB-C cable. How long is this? And the USB-C cable. USB and the USB-C out. Alright. Let's see. Let's see the phone itself. Oh, by the way, this is the rough model. It says resistant to pavement, pulse and there, 1.5 meters drop, IP68, and great grip. Alright. Now, cameras. Yeah, we'll see that now. It's a bit rough. It's kind of big. It's kind of big. It's not skinny. All the cameras, in good Nokia fashion, Zeiss lens. Yeah, this is the programmable buttons. No, this is the programmable button. This is the Google Assistant that I don't know anyone who ever uses it. And this is the power button with the fingerprint reader. Come on, focus. And yeah, volume buttons. Let's see. As usual, Android one. Welcome. Oh, let's get this to English. Hey. Nope. No England English? What the hell? Alright. Alright, let's go. No, not now. Yeah, I'll leave it. Now I'm gonna need this phone to do things, so yeah, I'll probably update when I'm been using for some time. Cheers.